Flows in Salesforce. Flows is a powerful automation tool used to build complex business processes using a visual interface. It allows Salesforce users to automate various tasks like data collection, updates, decision-making, and more, all without writing code. Types of Salesforce flows: 1. Screen flows. 2. Record-triggered flows. 3. Schedule-triggered flows. 4. Auto-launched flows. 5. Platform event-triggered flows. 1. Screen flows. It is a powerful automation tool that allows you to create guided, interactive, and visual processes for users. It helps in collecting data, presenting information, and automating tasks through a series of screens within a flow. This is ideal for scenarios where you want to walk users through a process step by step, making it easy for them to complete tasks or enter data. 2. Record-triggered flows. It's a type of flow that automatically executes when a record is created, updated, or deleted in Salesforce. They allow you to automate business processes based on changes to Salesforce records without needing to write code. Record-triggered flows are ideal for situations where you want to take action on a record in response to specific changes, such as sending notifications, updating fields, creating related records, or more. 3. Schedule-triggered flows. It's a type of flow that runs automatically at a specified time or on a recurring schedule. These flows allow you to automate tasks or processes without requiring user interaction or immediate record changes. Instead, you define when the flow should execute based on time, and it will run at those intervals or at a specific date and time, making it ideal for routine, scheduled tasks. 4. Auto-launched flows. It's a type of flow that runs automatically without requiring user interaction. Unlike screen flows, which involve user input, or record-triggered flows, which trigger based on record changes, an auto-launch flow is typically invoked by other processes, such as Apex code, another flow, or scheduled actions. 5. Platform event-triggered flows. It's a type of flow that is automatically triggered when a platform event is published. Platform events are a powerful feature in Salesforce that allow for event-driven architecture, enabling the communication of real-time information across systems. When a platform event is triggered or published, the flow associated with that event is invoked, allowing you to automate processes in response to events. Flow elements. Within the flow builder, you use flow elements to define the logic. These elements allow you to control how the flow operates. Screens, used in screen flows to display forms, fields, or messages to the user. Assignment, assigns values to variables. Decisions, similar to if-else logic, allowing different paths based on conditions. Loops, allows the flow to iterate over collections of records. Actions, call Apex classes, send emails, make HTTP requests, or interact with third-party services. Create, update, delete records, perform CRUD operations on Salesforce records. Get records, query records from Salesforce to use in the flow. Subflow, call other flows from within the current flow, allowing modular and reusable logic. Step-by-step implementation of Salesforce flows. Step 1. Navigate to Flow Builder. 1. Go to Setup. 2. In the Quick Find box, type Flows. 3. Click on Flows. Click New Flow. Step 2. Choose the flow type. Select the flow type based on the requirement. Screen flow, for user interaction. Record-triggered flow, for automating record updates. Scheduled flow, for periodic tasks. Step 3. Define the flow trigger. If it's a record-triggered flow, select Object, for example, Opportunity, Case, Account. Trigger condition, create, update, delete. Entry criteria, specify conditions if needed. Step 4. Add flow elements. Click plus to add elements like assignment, assign values to variables. Decision, add logic-based conditions. Loop, process multiple records. Create, update records, perform DML operations. Screen, for screen flows, user input. Step 5. Configure flow logic. Use decisions to create conditional branching. Use assignments to set field values. Use loops if working with multiple records. Step 6. Save and activate the flow. Click Save. Click Activate. If it's a record-triggered flow, test by creating, updating a record. Flow benefits. No coding required. Flows can be built without needing to write code. Flexibility. Flows can interact with almost any part of the Salesforce platform, making them extremely flexible. Reusable. Flows can be reused across multiple processes and can call other flows, subflows. Visual interface. The drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to design and test automations. Why flows? Automate business processes. From simple record updates to complex multi-step workflows, flows allow you to automate manual tasks with ease. Enhance user interactions. Create guided, dynamic experiences for users with screen flows, improving data collection and engagement. Connect systems and data. Seamlessly integrate with other Salesforce products and external systems, ensuring data flows across platforms. Boost productivity. Eliminate repetitive tasks, and reduce human error with triggered flows that run behind the scenes. Best practices. Keep flows simple and modular. Break complex processes into smaller, reusable flows. Use subflows for shared logic. Use appropriate flow types. Screen flows for user interaction. Record-triggered and auto-launched flows for automation. Minimize loops and nested loops. Use loops efficiently and avoid nesting them. Consider bulk processing with collections. Use variables and collections effectively. Store data in variables and use collections to handle multiple records in bulk. Error handling. Always include fault paths for error handling, and use email alerts or logging for failures. Optimize flow performance. Limit record queries. Use fast field updates, and avoid unnecessary record updates. Naming conventions. Use clear, consistent names for flows, variables, and elements. Documentation and maintenance. Document logic and maintain flows with version control to ensure clarity and future-proofing. User experience, UX, for screen flows. Design intuitive screens, pre-populate fields, and provide helpful tooltips or error messages. Regular monitoring and testing. Test flows in sandboxes, monitor usage, and review metrics for performance improvements. Documentation and maintenance. Document logic and maintain flows with version control to ensure clarity and future-proofing. User experience, UX, for screen flows. Design intuitive screens, pre-populate fields, and provide helpful tooltips or error messages. Regular monitoring and testing. Test flows in sandboxes, monitor usage, and review metrics for performance improvements. Cases for practice. 1. Create a flow for approval process to lead owner when lead stage in progress, on creation and updation of lead. 2. Create a case, when created lead's priority is high. 3. Auto-populate accounts phone on contact when contact is updated. 4. When opportunity stage changes to prospecting, notify the opportunity owner via email and custom notification. 5. Send email to primary and non-primary contacts under account. 6. Display a message on homepage saying, "Hello, user.name. Welcome to my blog and have a great day." 7. Create a field on opportunity line item called dispatch date, and add one stage value on opportunity called ready to dispatch. If all opportunity products dispatch date is filled, change the opportunity stage field, ready to dispatch. All you have to do is subscribe, and press the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next video with a new update. Until then, bye-bye, take care.